Black Friday, it's soon to come, and it's a no-brainer. Whether you are into e-commerce, dropshipping, this is a must. I mean, you get guaranteed sales and you can increase the price because, well, people spend more. And if you take a look at the search trend for Christmas gift ideas, it's already started. And as you can see, of course, last year, December, November, it is always crazy, but as you can see, now is the right time to start. So get yourself some items, and if you want to streamline the process, if you want to search for these products with ease, and if you want to make dropshipping or your e-commerce journey much easier, well, use this. This is Doba, this is my Doba, and Doba dropshipping is like any other. Whether you want to get these little cute things for Halloween, or you want to search for these Christmas things, well, it's all around. Jump on the trend. But all right, first of all, what is Doba? Well, Doba dropshipping, there's going to be a link down there, of course. Doba dropshipping is one of a kind. 90% is US stock. Now, what does this mean? No waiting, all right? You are going to get good reviews when it comes to fast shipping, when it comes to the quality of the products, because 90% of these products are located in the US warehouses. That's really, really good. No guessing anymore. Is my ship going to, get there from China, whatever? No, it's all here. Then they've got a lot of AI help, and I'm going to get into it later. But what I love about Doba is that it is really, really good for beginners, as it is for professionals alike. You have all of these integrations. You can connect Doba to your Etsy, to your eBay, to your Amazon, whatever, Shopify store. This is all done with one click of a button. So let me just show you the inside of it. First of all, I'm going to log into my account here, and this is how it's going to look like. And here you can see that you've got these selections here. First of all, there's TikTok shop selections, there's Temu selections, Temu or Temu, however people call it, and here you've got Amazon, Shopify, and these top ranking ones. You even got this AI picker here, which is a really good opportunity for anyone. The point is, you get all these products here listed for you, one click of a button, and it's in your store. This is really, really good. Everything is AI automated. No more searching for products manually, unless you just want to search for these, top ranking ones or specific platform ranking ones. It's all automated, right? And that's what you need. You need fast product selection when it comes to this Christmas, Black Friday, Halloween, whatever you want. Now, whenever you come into your account, you can just go to your Doba dashboard here with this button, and they've got this AI tool hub, which is perfect. First of all, if you do not have the store yet, they're going to build a store for you. AI Store Builder. You just put it in a theme, in a niche, and it's going to build you the store. And on top of that, you're going to get 10 winning products from your niche. That's pretty good. Then there's AI Product Finder. AI Product Finder, well, it's just what it says to do. It's going to find you the products using AI, and you can see some of these that I've searched for example, these things here. You just go and search for it, and they will just give you the best performing products. You don't even have to think about it. One click of a button, and it's in your store. Other than that, you've got auto listers, you've got listing optimizers. These are all designed and made for you to save time. And if you save time, you save money as well. Now, as I've shown you earlier, these are Pinterest trends. I use Pinterest a lot for my marketing. And here you can see that Christmas gift ideas, well, it is the right time to start. Halloween, let me just search for it. It's already started. See Halloween nails, Halloween wallpaper, party ideas, costumes, costume ideas. These costumes are going to be really, really good. Let me just turn this Christmas gift ideas here so you can see, of course, it is the right time. Maybe a bit late, but it's still good. And I've told you, if you want to search for these yourself, just go and click here and type in whatever, Christmas ornaments, for example. Well, you're gonna get a bunch of these. Just go and search through, and if you like something, for example, I don't know, maybe this one here, I like this one, you click on it, you add it to your inventory list, or you can just list it to store from here. What I really love about this is that you can see the warehouse, all right? So they show you the location of the warehouse. So this one is in Alabama, and here you see the shipping cost, you see the estimated delivery time. It is really, really good. Doba made it simpler for us. Now, the coolest bit of information is this right here. If you head over and you just click here on this promotional sale button here, you can see that you can claim some of your cash back if you get or upgrade your account. If you get this, the first one, if you get the Doba subscription for 3 months, you're gonna get $40 back. If you upgrade or pay for a new subscription in the period of 6 months, you're gonna get $80 cash back. 9 months is gonna give you $120 cash back. And if you take a yearly subscription, so 12 months worth, you're gonna get $200 of your cash back. So this is on my basic plan, but if you upgrade to standard one, you're gonna get even more cash back. And this is just promotional from Doba. They're just gifting it away. And I really think that it's a great value. Now they have this as well here. And this is gonna give you some of these tasks to complete, and they're gonna give you a nice little reward. All you gotta do is to complete these little steps, but this is actually just a walkthrough. Just read some articles, watch some videos, and you're gonna get a little nice reward for yourself. The link is gonna be down there. Remember, now is the time to start. Use this, save your time, save the effort. AI is here to make our life easier, and especially when it comes to dropshipping, there's no need to think anymore. It's all in data. And Doba has it. The link is down there. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.